Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to highlight text in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. Firstly, in this video I will show highlight text color. Now zoom the page. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for shape option. Now click a rectangle shape. Now draw a shape. Now going to the shape fill option. Now then choose color. Now click for the shape outline, then click on no outline. Now click for mouse right button option. Now click for a scene backward. That's it. Then I show highlight text in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.